Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Am I on to Copa Jessica?
Yes, of course. Please don't mind speaking with.
My name is Papa Ikenna. Ikenna Nnodim, your student.
Okay. Good morning, sir.
You gave them assignment to write. You tell them to write composition about their father.
Oh, yeah, the
He came
composition.
back, yes, he came back yesterday. He was crying. He said you failed him. You gave him 2/10. I want to know why is that.
Well, sir, I failed your son because he didn't do well.
Who are you to talk that my son did not do well? Did he write about you? My son wrote about me. You are saying he did not do well. Do you know me more than my son? I am my son's father. Everything he writes there is about me. You don't know me at all. Hmm? Do you want to serve Nigeria in peace or in pieces?
Sir, please, I don't understand.
Because I'm telling you this thing because I'm a very, very ambitious man. Did you see the part where he liked my father is a wicked man? I like my father because he uses charm and he kills people. Did you see that part?
Exactly, that's my point. Who would write such about his father?
He's not your business. He's correct. Because if you did not give him his proper score by tomorrow morning, if I come to that school myself, you yourself will write for me a composition about how you want to die.